So in this module we will be learning counting. So firstly we will learn from 1 to 10. After that we will move forward. So the very first one, that is 0. 0 is called zero or maru in Japanese language. Okay, now let's start from 1 to 5. So 1 ichi, 2 ni, 3 san, 4 yon and shi, and 5 is go. So you can say 4 as yon and shi both. It depends. Okay, so let's make it as a rhyme and let's start from 1 to 5. Ichi ni san yon go. Repeat after me.
Ichi ni san yon go. Ichi ni san yon go. Ichi ni san yon go.
Now it's clear to you? So ichi ni san yon go from 1 to 5. Now let's move forward from 6 to 10. Ichi ni san yon go, 1 to 5. Now 6 is roku, 7 is nana, 8 is hachi, 9 is kyu, and 10 is ju. So roku, nana, hachi, kyu, ju. Now the next 5 characters, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 roku, 7 nana, 8 hachi, 9 kyu, and 10 ju. Roku, nana, hachi, kyu, ju. Repeat after me. Roku, nana, hachi, kyu, ju. Roku, nana, hachi, kyu, ju. Okay, so from 1 to 5, ichi, ni, san, yon, go. Roku, nana, hachi, kyu, ju. Am I clear? Now, after 1 to 10, let's learn 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So, let's start 100. 100 is hyaku, hyaku. Yes. So, now 10 is ju. So 10 plus 1 is 11. 10 ju ichi. Ju ichi is 11. Ju ni 12. Ju san 13. Ju yon 14. Just like that. Now 20, 30 is 2 into 10. So ni ju is 20 and 21 is ni ju ichi. Wakarimashita? It's like 20 is ni ju, 2 into 10, 30 is 3 into 10, sanju, 40 is yonju, just like that, 31. So sanju ichi. 41 yonju ichi. Just like that. For example, 77. 77 is nana ju nana. Nana ju nana. Nana ju is 70 and 7 is nana. Nana ju nana. Okay. 96. 96 is 90. 90 is kyu ju 90 and 6 roku. Kyu ju roku. Hi.